Is your Tracfone stuck on the logo screen? Don't panic. This issue, often a boot loop, is common, especially on older devices. It usually stems from software glitches or interrupted updates. The first and simplest fix is a force restart. To do this, press and hold both the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 to 20 seconds. Keep holding until the phone vibrates or restarts. This clears temporary glitches without losing any of your data. According to a 2024 survey, a force restart alone resolves 80% of boot loop cases. If this doesn't work, move on to the next steps. If a force restart fails, try recovery mode. First, power off your Tracfone. Then, press and hold the power and volume up buttons together. Note that this can vary by model, like Samsung Galaxy A series, which Tracfone uses, so check your phone's specific manual. This will bring up a menu with options like Wipe Cache Partition. This can resolve software bloat without erasing your data. As a last resort, use Factory Reset in recovery mode. This will erase everything and restore your phone to its original state. Important, back up your data before doing this. A Verizon report states that Tracfone users save 30% on repairs using DIY methods like these. Remember that Tracfone's website and app offer diagnostics and model-specific guides for troubleshooting.